Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing the study work at your home. Welcome to your online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of Social Studies and this is the first video lecture of class 1st subject Social Studies. Today we are going to discuss the first chapter of your Social Studies book. The name of the chapter is This is Me. The chapter name is This is Me. So, you know yourself, you know your name, you know things about your family. So, this chapter is about you, only and only you. In this chapter, you will learn to explain yourself, introducing your father's and mother's name, favorite food items, sports, hobby, colors, and fruits. Shall we start now, students? So, turn your page and come to the next page. And put finger on the first line. I am Lina. I am 6 years old. I live with my father, mother, and sister. So, this is Lina and this is Lina's family. She is explaining about her family. She is Lina's mother, she is Lina's father, and this little girl is Lina's sister. Are you getting my point, students? So, come to the next line. This is Goldie, my pet cat. I love her a lot. Alia and Bunty are my best friends. I play with them in the park every day. So here Lina is explaining about her pet cat and her best friends. So you can see here Lina is playing with her pet cat. Its name Goldie. So you all have any pet animals, students? So in the next line, Lina is explaining about her best friends. Alia and Bunty are Lina's best friends. She's Alia and his Bunty. They are Lina's best friend. She plays in the park with them on the daily basis. So students, here we will learn a right value through a story which is given in this box. Okay, which is given in this box. So shall we start now? Rita is playing with her new ball. So there is a girl, her name is Rita and she has a new ball. She is playing with her new ball. Ravi sees the ball. He wants to play with it too. He asks, "Can I play with you, Rita?" "No, you can't," says Rita. She picks up the ball and goes home. Ravi wants to play with the new ball, but Rita did not let him to play with her new ball. Ravi is sad. Some children, like Rita, do not like to share. It is fun to share. We should learn to share our things. So students, what we learn from this story? We learn that we should share our things with others. Whether it is food items, or toys or anything else. We should not behave like Rita. Got it, students? It is a right value to share our things with others. Sharing is a good habit. Understand? Okay, now come to the next page. Turn your page. So this is me. Here we have to fill this. My name is dash. So whatever your name is, you have to fill it right here. I am dash years old. You all have to fill your age over here. Got it, students? Third line is I study in class dash. You all study in class first. So you have to write first. Got it, students? Now fourth line is when I grow up, I want to be a dash. So whatever you want to be in your future, when you will grow up, you have to write it over here. Understand? I have a pet. Its name is dash. So here you have to write your pet name. If you have any pet animals, you have to write its name here. Got it, students? So draw a picture of yourself here. So here you have to draw a picture of yourself. Understand? So turn your page and come to the next page. So here again you have to fill some things I like. Here you have to fill the things that you like. Understand, students? The first line is I like the color dash. So whatever is your favorite color, you have to write it over here. Blue, pink, green, yellow, whatever is your favorite color, you have to write over here. Now second line is I like eating. So what is your favorite food, students? You have to write your favorite food name here. Understand? Now third line is I like playing. So what is your favorite sport? You have to write your favorite sport name here. Now next line is I like wearing. So whatever cloth that you like most to wear, you have to write here. Okay, students? Now next is some things I don't like. So here you have to write the things name that you don't like. Okay, I do not like dash. So here you have to write the name of the thing that you do not like at all. Okay, good. Now next is my body. This is my body. It has many parts. So here it's a given a picture. So this is our body. Our body looks like this. Okay. Now first is head. So what is the spelling of head? What is the spelling of head? H-E-A-D, head. Now next is eyes. What is the spelling of eye? E-Y-E, eye. Now next is nose. So what is the spelling of nose, students? Do you know what is the spelling of nose? The spelling of nose is N-O-S-E. This is our nose. Now next is shoulder. What is the spelling of shoulder? S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. Now next is stomach. What is the spelling of stomach? STOMACH, stomach. Now next is hand. So what is the spelling of hand, students? HANT, hand. Now next is finger. So what is the spelling of finger? FINGER. Repeat after me, students. FINGER, finger. Now next is knee. Knee. What is the spelling of knee? KNEE, knee. Now next is leg. What is the spelling of leg? LEG, leg. Now next is toes. What is the spelling of toes? Repeat after me. TOES, toes. Now next is ear. What is the spelling of ear? EAR. Repeat after me, students. EAR, ear. Now next is mouth. What is the spelling of mouth, students? MOUTH, mouth. Now next is neck. What is the spelling of neck? NECK, neck. Now next is chest. What is the spelling of chest? CHEST, chest. Now next is arm. Do you all know what is the spelling of arm? Repeat after me. ARM, arm. Now next is foot. What is the spelling of foot, students? Repeat after me. FOOT, foot. So students, this is the way to introduce and write about yourself. I hope you understand. Bye students. Thank you.